G'day folks, it is me and we're doing magnet fishing part 3. One or two of you said, it's the wrong word, the wrong name for it, magnet fishing. It's quite right actually, because when you chuck this thing in, you're not catching fish, you're catching blobs of metal or whatever. So, I don't know, I didn't come up with a name, someone did, and it's stuck. So unless someone can come up with a universal name for magnet fishing, then, you know, like magneting on a rope, I don't know. But anyway, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and a big welcome to all my new subscribers. A lot of you have come since you've seen, come to my channel, since you've seen one of my videos where I'm magnet fishing. So I'm just going to show you the rig again. It is two 68-pound pull magnets, and they've got a hole through the centre which I bolted through onto just a plate of metal I found, you know, in a skip, literally. This bottle here is like a flotation device. All it does is it keeps it upright when you throw it in the water. Now today we're going to do something a little bit more crazy. I've attached the GoPro with its waterproof case on. So I'm going to throw it out there. I'm going to throw it out there, and we're going to see what it's like on the bottom of a river. If you don't see any GoPro footage, we've either lost the GoPro, it fell off and it's somewhere in the river, or water got in and the camera's wrecked. So right, crack on and see what we get. There we go. Whoa. It feels like there's a ton of weed down there, and hopefully we've got a GoPro on the end of this. Have we got a GoPro? We've got a big lump of weed. Yeah. We've got a GoPro. The GoPro is still on, but it's a waste of time because I think there is that much weed down there. I'm going to throw it just down here where there's no weed. Okay, I don't think we're going to do any good magnet fishing because it's just too weedy, but we're just basically testing out the GoPro. So we're on this really high old railway bridge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower it down there just to see if we can see any fish life. So should be interesting. We have actually found something, believe it or not, a little nail. Okay, so boink. Yeah, it works, it's good fun, but if there's too much weed, it's just impossible, because all you're doing is just dragging in weed. So we will do this again in autumn winter, unless you guys say no, we demand you do some magnet fishing, we want to see underwater again. So anyway, look forward to your comments. Cheerio.